What is up, Tube? And welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Let's get into this.
Every day is no end, since I was told that you don't want me. Baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to where there's no you.
What is up, Tube? So today is Monday. Your Monday and my Friday. Tomorrow's my day off. I'm headed to the shop right now. Today is me working, Raul working, and J-Lo's are working. So there's three of us working. You know, we've been staying busy every Monday. We've been getting slammed, guys. Mondays have been extremely busy. Hopefully today it'll be just as busy because for a fact Raul and J-Lo have been doubling up on their Monday, and the reason being is because they're going on a little vacay next week. Next week I'm gonna be really short-handed because Raul and Janelle are gonna be leaving. They're going on a little vacation to go see their in-laws in San Antonio, so they'll be gone for 10 days. So those 10 days I'm gonna actually be short one barber, being Raul, and then on Mondays I'm gonna be short two barbers because Raul and Janelle work on Mondays. So I'm gonna have the other guys help out and fill in and to cover for their shifts, but we're gonna be short-handed for a little bit. So it's gonna be my true test of being short-handed this year. I haven't had that problem at all. If you guys, those of you guys have been following me for a while, or if you guys were on my vlogs last year, or if you guys want to go back and check out last year's vlogs. Last year at this time, I was struggling, guys. I was really struggling. I was short-handed barbers. You know, when you're short-handed barbers, it just stresses you out more because, like me being the shop owner, being the head barber here, I'm the guy that everybody comes to see. So when you get, sometimes when those other guys are like the guy that I lost last week, you know, he's gone now, so his clients are still coming in, and when they come in and they don't see him there, they're gonna want me to cut their hair. So it just kind of doubles up on my work, which, you know, in reality right now I don't mind, because right now I need all the money that I can get anyway. But you know, I'm just gonna keep grinding through it. Like I said, I'm gonna be short-handed two people in the next 10 days. Starting next Monday. They leave next Monday, so they still got to work all this week still, and then they leave to San Antonio next Monday. I'll be dropping them off in the morning, taking them to the airport. But headed into the shop, get started on this day. Today's my cleaning day. Monday's my cleaning day, so today I do my cleaning. Just get done with other things that need to be done, guys, and just get on with this day. I hope you guys are grinding. Remember, guys, Monday is a very profitable day to work. If you guys aren't working or you're thinking about opening on Mondays, I encourage you guys to do it, because there's a lot of shops that don't open on Mondays, so that gives you that upper hand above them. That's what I think. That's my opinion. But I'm here at the shop now. Get started on this day, guys. I'll see you guys later. So the other night I was watching, I was on YouTube, and I happened to be scrolling through YouTube, and I saw this video that popped up, and it was a $15 haircut versus $150 haircut. So there was this vlogger who, I forgot what his name is. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to see the video. But it was an interesting vlog, and basically what the guy did is he went to one shop that was $15 shop, and he asked for the exact same haircut at the $15 shop, and then he went to the $150 shop. Okay, well, mind you, the $150 shop was a salon, but you guys got to see the video. And when you guys watch the video, I want you guys to, you know, let me know below what you guys think about that video. I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on it. I thought it was a pretty interesting video. The guy that did the video, for one thing, he's not a barber, you know. He's a fashion guru, I guess you could say. He has over 4 million subscribers, so he has a lot of subscribers. But, you know, and he has his own hair product line. So I know he's not a barber, but he's some kind of fashion guy. He's developed his own hair product line. So in the middle of the video, he'll go into his own product line, which, I mean, I guess it looks pretty good. I mean, I really don't know what the product is, but it looks pretty good. But I want you guys to go and check out this video and let me know what you guys think. I think personally, I think that the $15 haircut was tits. Was bomb. It was nice. You know, the guy where he went to was you know, it was like a barbershop like mine, I think, you know. And then he, even when he walked out of it, he went home, styled his hair. He said he liked the haircut. He asked for a zero faded, low fade, you know, and it came out awesome. I think it came out real good. And then he let his hair grow out. So it was 3 weeks later, he went to the other shop. The other shop was a high-end barber shop. It was a salon, actually. So when he walked in there, they right off the bat, they're pampering you. You know, they gave him a robe to change into. They of course they shampoo your hair. They offer you a drink. You know, the whole shebang. And then the guy comes out, and the hairdresser, and you know, he could tell he was a hairdresser, not a barber. You know, which is cool. Nothing wrong with that. But oh my, when he started doing the haircut, he totally changed the haircut around. The guy asked for the exact same haircut. He asked for a zero, faded out, you know, and but this guy never busted out trimmers. Never. What he did was a taper in the back. He tapered it out. He totally changed the haircut around on him. But the guy, the guy never criticized him once. Never nothing, never ever said no. He noticed the guy wasn't using a trimmer, but he lined everything up. He lined around the ears, around the back. He tapered it up with scissors, kind of like a taper. But I never seen him bust out a machine, you know. So it was definitely different type of haircut, a scissor cut completely. But did I think it was worth $150 myself? No. The $15 haircut, I think that thing was worth $25 haircut. $25. So the guy did the $15 haircut's undercharging himself, and the other guy is overcharging himself. But the other guy is not really overcharging himself. That's just the industry he's in, you know. When you work at a shop that charges $150 a haircut, I guess you can charge $150 a haircut, and why not? But did I think of the haircut myself, being a hair professional, did I think it was worth $150? No. I didn't, but maybe the services and the other pampering stuff that went along with it was worth it. So you guys got to check out that video. I think it was interesting, but you guys check it out, and let me know what you guys think about that. So it's a great subject, because, you know, guys, when is it too much to charge, and how much is too much to charge? You know, like, I don't know how much, you know, what's the right amount of charge, but, you know, at my shop, we're rising. We rise every year, and but like, people ask, well, when are you going to cap it? And I'm like, I don't know. The rent doesn't get capped. The rent keeps going up. Every single year goes up. Every single year goes up $1,200. Like, you know, so I think haircuts go up every single year. That's how I look at it. You know what I mean? Is it going to get capped? I don't know. Maybe eventually it will get capped, but I know I'm not near, $22. I'm not near getting ready to cap it. No, not even close. But I'm going to take care of these, go get some lunch right now. Head back to the shop. It's been extremely busy today, guys. It's been relatively profitable, as I always tell you guys. All right, I'm gonna go in there, take care of this, and I'm gonna be back. Finish this day off strong. I hope you guys are grinding. So that's it for today, guys. This weekend is over. Today, of course, is my Friday, so tomorrow I'm off. Irritating day today. I don't know why. I had the air conditioning guy come by, and it was the AC, not the AC guy. My alarm guy came by. They're putting in a new one of those thermostats that hooks up to the internet. I don't know what the hell he did, but he hooked it up all wrong. No AC all day. I call him early. They say, I'll be out there, and never came back. So tomorrow we got another day, and I don't even know if he's going to show up in the morning. Hopefully he does, because, man, barbershops and no AC, they just do not go hand in hand. It got super hot. Once 3 o'clock gets... Here in my shop, once 3 o'clock hits, it gets hotter than hot. So just super irritated. Then I had to stay and clean. Done with the cleaning now. So I'm headed home. Gonna finish off. Remember what I was talking about, that video, guys? Make sure you guys check it out. What's the difference between a $15 and $150 haircut, guys? Me myself, I don't know. I'm just a barber, but to me, the $15 haircut was way better than the $150 haircut. But the other guy, the guy from the video, he was jocking the $150 haircut like it was the greatest thing ever. But I don't know. You guys check it out. Leave me the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about that. Keep an eye out, guys. Tonight or tomorrow morning, my girl's dropping another vlog number 2. Of course, I'm in it, so make sure you guys check it out, guys. We're talking about some of the things that are happening, that are going on. It's going to be interesting. I encourage you guys to go. I'm also going to try to do some more tutorials this weekend while I'm off. I just got a lot on my plate right now, guys. I don't know. You know, sometimes you just get... I'm not unmotivated, but I don't know. Some things... I got a lot of things on my shoulders right now. I don't know. It just doesn't... You know, something feels like get off me, man. Get off me. You know how that is sometimes? That's how I'm feeling right now. But, you know, I think it's just maybe the heat in here, and it's just hot as heck in here, and I'm irritated. I just want to go home. So with that being said, guys, you guys have a blessed night, a blessed weekend, and I'll see you guys back on Thursday. Grind on.